All right, so today is going to be chicken. I'm using legs because they were on sale again. And it's going to be over rice in a heavy cream and white wine sauce. So first thing I'm going to do is just brown them and then add water and boil them to finish cooking them. So this is going to be really easy. The only thing I'm going to do is just brown them legs a little bit of garlic and salt, a little bit of black pepper, and that's it. So let me get the oil hot. And remember, whenever you brown meat, chicken, beef, anything, dry it. Otherwise, it'll steam. So just pat them dry a little bit. Oil's not quite hot enough. It should go tss. All right, a little salt. A little black pepper, and that's it. All right, those browned off pretty nicely, like that. So I'm going to deglaze the pan with some dry white French vermouth. Bump up the heat a little bit. Good thing I got an extra bottle. You could use chicken stock for that, but it's kind of pointless unless you're going to save it and then make, chicken soup or something. But I'm just going to finish cooking off these chicken legs in just boiling water. I'm just going to boil them. All right, so I got the chicken done actually yesterday. All right, so I cut up the chicken and now a little bit of olive oil. All right, a little bit of garlic. And then I got some scallions in there. All right, chuck in a couple of scallions. A little salt. Crushed red pepper. The chicken. That looks good already. All right, I'm going to kick the heat up a little bit. And then a little bit of that dry French white vermouth. That's that brand I like, Noilly Prat. I'll sear that off for a minute or two, get rid of the alcohol, or some of it anyway. And I got some English peas here. These are the frozen type. I did them in the microwave. So I'm going to add some of those. The only thing in here is butter. All right, now some heavy cream. Just use it all. That was about maybe a third. All right, so I got a plate of rice. Now some of the chicken on top. I think I got a little overambitious on my portion here. But there is that. Really simple, easy, fast. It takes longer to boil the chicken than it does to do anything else. It's rich because of the heavy cream. Like I said, you could add or subtract whatever vegetables you want. Broccoli would be good in here. So it's basically chicken in white wine or vermouth and then heavy cream. That's it. It's a good one.